to the supermarket to get some stuff. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Okay, that's enough of that. Now it's time to go in and find some stuff to make goodies. Guess that it's like crazy traffic everywhere, and it's cold, very cold. We're gonna go to the Stop and Shop in Lyndhurst, New Jersey. See what things that we can get and explore with. I'm very excited. And then I want to go to Panera. I want to get me maybe a little coffee and maybe a little piece of bread or something of some sort. Okay, so the sun is coming up and it's starting to look pretty. So we're gonna go in here, and then I have to go to Michael's. I would like to get some stuff to decor the table to make the vlog. So we're at our Stop and Shop, our family friendly neighborhood store. Sounds like some doors are having issues over here. So I have to get my list, and let's see what we're gonna get here. We got a big thing of chocolate. Like that big box of chocolate. That is huge, massive. You hear the song, Santa Baby? There's nobody in here. It's empty. Down the chimney tonight. Da-na-na-na-na. Okay, so let's get serious here. We gotta locate some hot cereal, cold cereal. Okay, so we need cereal. So we need Chex cereal. Okay, corn Chex. Okay, so we're gonna get rice. I'm gonna do rice because they seem to be a little bit more crunchified. And what else did we need? I think there was another cereal. Oh, Rice Krispie treats. Get some Rice Krispies. Santa baby, we're never down the chimney tonight. Oh my God, I'm over here at Michael's, and like all the Christmas stuff is like gone. Like, what is going on? I don't understand. Like, can't they keep it out a little bit longer? Even Valentine stuff is out. Oh, my hair's looking a hot mess. Valentine stuff is out. Like, where's the celebration anymore? My gosh, it's like insane. So disappointing. Very, very disappointing. Although everything is 60% off, but it's still crazy that everything is like so gone. So anyway, I just came here to buy a few little things. So I guess I need to look at this. This is cute. And this is, I don't even see a price on here. Oh, $29.99. No, this can't be right. $29.99 for this? For this? No. Something is not obviously right with that situation. Oh my God. Look at, Christmas is gone. Christmas is gone. Oh, this is so disappointing. So anyway, I came here. I'm going to find a few things. I need brown icing. Oh, they got cute little houses. Snow globes, little container, 50%. Well, I paid $2 for mine. So disappointing that everything is like gone. Oh my gosh. Oh. So we're gonna look at the Christmas stuff to make stuff over here. And there is not much left. This is not a good situation. Oh my God, but it is 50% off. So, okay, so I'm gonna look at everything and see what's going on here and get back to you. Okay, now we're at Barnes & Noble. This is my normal thing I do on Wednesdays. So we're gonna check it out and see if we can find anything cool or fun or exciting. Look at all these cool little things that kids can make. And look, you can make your own dog biscuits. That's really cute. So I'm back with my messy hair. And I'm unloading everything and sorting everything out so everything will be prepared. I have to say that I have found these RX bars. These things are the bomb. They're amazing. I love how they taste. There is the mint chocolate. Here is the chocolate chip. Then here is a blueberry. Let's see what else we have here. This one's a peanut butter chocolate. And this one here is chocolate sea salt. So, I got quite a few because I love these. I love eating these. I will show you. These are all of them. I like to just grab one and start eating. And it's a meal replacement. So, just wanted to share that with you guys. A cookie jar with birthday cake, Christmassy and regular vanilla, and the regular Oreos. Here we have all the stuff. I'm going to start putting everything in different bags, that everything goes together, organizing everything, decorating the table and things. And then there's my little gingerbread house that I will do. All right, guys. So I will end the vlog here, and I will see you guys mañana.
Nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through. Straight to the top, I'm tumbling. My roller coaster's wrong. So back to what I was saying. Could be us.